Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus problems involving position functions are actually super simple if you follow these 3 quick steps to find velocity, acceleration, and the final value right now. First, we find the velocity by taking the derivative of position. The derivative of e to the negative 2t is negative 2e to the negative 2t plus 6t. Next, we differentiate velocity to get acceleration. The derivative of negative 2e to the negative 2t becomes positive 4e to the negative 2t plus 6. Boom! Finally, substitute 3 into our acceleration formula. 4e to the power of negative 6 plus 6 matches our target option perfectly. That makes option D. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid missing the chain rule or wrong signs by remembering to derive the function twice.